Hello friends, in our last video we saw that how we can install and set up our integrated development environment to code in Python. In this video we'll write our first Python program using Visual Studio Code. Without any delay, let's get started. Open Visual Studio Code. You will see this kind of window when you open first time. You can click on new file. You can select here Python file and then type first statement in Python, print hello world. We can save it. You can select your convenient location to save it and name this file as my first Python program.py. You can save it. Now let's execute this Python program. So here you can see a small icon. When you hover it, you will see run Python file. So you can click on that. And Visual Studio Code will execute your Python file, something like this. So here you can see your statement which you have printed, that is printed on standard output. You can do experiments with this print statement to print different messages into the standard output. We'll try one more time. This is test 5. This is my first Python program. So let's save it and let's run it again. So here you can see both statements which you printed with the print function are printed on standard output. So you can see this is how you can write your first Python program using Visual Studio Code. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.